So hey guys, in this video we are going to learn MySQL. So firstly you have to start with MySQL line. You have to enter the password, and once you are entered with the password you have to write the command show databases. With this command you are able to see the databases that are already existing in your MySQL. Now if you want, you can create a new database or you can use existing databases. So I will create a new database, and the name will, to create a new database you have to write create database, and the name of your database could be let's say Rhino, and you have to use the terminal command, that is semicolon, to execute your query. So you can see that query is executed. So next you have to use that database. So you have to use Rhino, and again semicolon to execute your query. Now once you have created a database, you have to create a table. So to create a table you have to use create table, and the table name, it could be anything. Let's say it could be Rhino. So what you want in your table? I want a name, and name is a string for string type. So I will use varchar as data type. Varchar 77. I want ID. ID is integer. I want team. I want class, that is again integer. I want gender, that will be care, and it will be 1. I think that's enough. So enter, and once you have created your table, if you want to see the table, you will just click D is desk, Rhino, that desk, baby Rhino. Now you can see the table here. In this table, the fields you have name, ID, class, and gender. Data types will be varchar, integer, and char. And you don't have used any special constraint. Constraint are used to bring some boundaries to your whatever we'll talk about later. Now once you have created a table and you have seen the table structure, now you want to insert the data in your table. So to insert the data in your table, you have to use insert command, that is insert into baby Rhino values. So first is name. So name is an integer type, so you have to use double columns. ID is 1, class is 12, gender is male. Enter. So once you have insert the data in the table, you can, if you want to see the table, you will use select asterisk from table name. So select asterisk means star from baby Rhino, execute. So in this way you can create multiple records in the table, and this is for today. Thank you.